Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to back up all the drivers on your Windows 11 or 10. So basically drivers are very essential, and if you want to format your system, so there is a good chance to back up all the drivers if in case something went wrong with the driver and Wi-Fi or the audio is not working, and even sometime the touchpad does not work properly on the system. So that is the reason it's highly recommend to back up all the drivers on your computer. So how to back up all the drivers on your computer? So it's simple. Just we have this command for you guys. This is the dism command. So how we can make it? So destination, you need to select drivers backup. So simply open your D drive or whichever drive you have free, and then you need to type a driver backup. I have already made a video on it, so that is the reason it is showing up here, but let me make it a new video on it and name it backup driver. Okay, so let's open the command prompt now. cmd as admin, and now open this, and this will be your destination D driver. So select your destination with this one. Okay, and let's just turning off the spelling. Now you need to enter this command simply. So let me make it bigger for you. This is the command: dism space online space export hyphen driver, then give space backslash destination colon D colon the location, and simply paste it here. Then press enter key, and all the driver will be backed up properly by hitting this command. As you can see, the driver export are being in a progressed. It is completed in just a few seconds, and here is the all the details here and how you can backup it. Let me show you. Simply in a new computer or after formatting it, you can select the your host name and then click on action, then click on this option add drivers, click on browse, then look for the location where you have exported the drivers, backup drivers, then click on OK and click on OK, and every driver will be backed up properly on your system when it was working fine, and everything should be working fine after that. Just restart your Windows and everything should be working fine. It is searching for the drivers and it will install the compatible driver according to your hardware. And this is the benefit: you don't need to go everywhere to install driver. As you can see, all the driver are installed successfully. So this is the video guys, and I hope you took advantages of this video, and I hope this video also helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.